Want to sound smarter and more fluent in IELTS speaking? Learn these 5 advanced words. Now, word number 1, articulate, meaning able to express ideas clearly. It's someone who can express their thoughts clearly. You can say she's articulate when discussing social issues. Word number 2, diligent. It can be used for someone who's hardworking and careful. For example, he's a diligent student who studies every day. Word number 3, versatile. Versatile. It means someone who is able to do many things well. For example, smartphones are versatile devices used for work and entertainment. The next one, skeptical. Skeptical. It can be used for someone who's doubtful or not easily convinced. For example, you can say, many people are skeptical about online rumors. The next one, innovative. Innovative. It means introducing new ideas and methods. For example, technology companies need innovative solutions to grow. Here's a quick test. Which word means able to do many different things well? Comment below. Follow for day 4 and learn 5 more advanced words that can boost your IELTS score instantly.